Thank you for showing interest in our vehicle. At Highline Auto Group.
Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, and power steering.
Thank you again for choosing Highline Auto Group. We will provide